Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today guys, I'm going to jump right into the video. I'm so excited because I received those packages. And guys, you know how I love to decorate my dining area because I always want to decorate my table before I can serve dinner. But guys, that's the reason why I always share with you all my beautiful table setting. Guys, this video is in collaboration with BZYOO. They reached out to me guys and they sent me those beautiful dinnerware set. And guys, I really love them. They are ceramic, multifunction, dishwasher safe, idea for outdoor and indoor. Guys, they are oven and microwave safe. They stackable and easy to store. They are versatile for all occasions, from casual family dinners to formal celebration. As you can see guys, they are very pretty and I love the design. Guys, they are very durable and robust. Guys, you can elevate your home with this beautiful diningware set. I really love this set guys. Not only they are beautiful and they are oven and microwave safe, dishwasher safe. I love them. And guys, if you don't like mine, you can always choose other ones because they have so many variety and colors and styles to choose from. And guys, each set come with 4 diner plates, 10 inches, 10.5 inches, and 4 salad plates, 8.5 inches, and 4 bowls, 6 inches. And guys, I really love them, so the link will be in the description box, that one below. If you are looking for something like that, make sure to check the box. As you can see, the bowl is 6 inches, very nice, very neat. So I'm going to clean them, wash them, and to start my dining room decor. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. I'm going to start my decor with this beautiful planter that I get from Joann's. And guys, they were on clearance, so it's a time if you want some great planters, so you can go ahead and check them because they are on clearance. And I get this moss grass because I wanted to put some greenery in the corner of my table. And guys, as you can see, I got those. It's 4 inches tall. I have 2 of them, and I think the bird of paradise or banana leaf, so one of them, and they have both name in the description, so I don't know which one are they, but they're beautiful. I like them and I purchased them. As you can see guys, I put it in the corner because I don't really like this corner to be empty, so that's why I always try to put something in this corner. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Today guys, I didn't want a big centerpiece and I think this one is perfect. And for the pillar candle holders, I get them from Z Gallery. And guys, the placemats, I got them from Home Goods some times ago, and I really love how everything turns out. So if you want to see, make sure to watch the video till the end. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo à nos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime moi décorer ça la manger moi. Guys, si vous avez besoin de bonne idée qui j'aime pour faire caillou look expensive, sans pas dépenser un pile corps ou venir sur bon channel là. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi te remercie un pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi, non. As you already see, guys, I'm adding some black because the way I decorate my home, it's more like black, gold, silver, and white. So this table setting, I'm adding some black in it to go with the entire apartment. And guys, summer is around the corner, so I'm not ready yet to go with my bold color like orange and yellow yet, but that's why I'm keeping it a little bit black and you know, silver and all the good stuff. And guys, stay tuned to watch all my summer dining room decor, all my summer apartment decor, guys. You don't want to miss none of them.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that.
Okay, guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you think. I would love to hear from you. Guys, even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. N'oublie pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as
Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one.